Chapter 2. Climate in India. Weather and climate. Sometimes a day may be hot in the morning, windy in the evening, and suddenly it may rain in the night. Changes in the atmospheric condition over a short period of time is called weather. Weather tells us about the condition of sunshine, wind, rain, and temperature at a place at a certain time. Hot, windy, snowy, or rainy are different types of weather conditions. The weather of place over a longer period of time is called climate of that place. For example, when we say that it is humid in the coastal plains and cold in Himalayas, we are actually talking about the climate of these places. Climate is the average weather condition of a place for many years. For example, a desert has dry climate. It is because the desert area receives very little or no rainfall for a long period of time. Temperature and rainfall are two elements that affect climate. Factors affecting climate. Climate of a place depends on many factors. Some of them are as follows. Physical features of a region. Places located on mountains or hills are cooler than those lying on plains. Places near the sea are cooler and more humid than those away from the sea. Distance from the equator. Places lying close to equator are hotter than those far away from it because these places receive direct sunlight. Height above sea level. The higher the place above the sea level, the lower is its temperature. Moisture and wind. Cold winds decrease the temperature, while hot winds increase the temperature of a place. Humidity in air also affects the place. The climate of a place influences the life of people, clothes of people, food of people, crops grown by people, animals and birds that live there. Different seasons in India. There are three main seasons in India: summer, monsoon, and winter. Spring and autumn are the other two seasons. Summer. The summer season starts somewhere in mid-March and lasts till about mid-June. The temperature starts rising and it is hot. The days are longer than the nights. In India, most of the places have a hot summer, except for regions high up in the hills. The sea breeze brings some relief for the coastal regions. The plains and the plateaus are also very hot. The hot dry wind called Loo is common in North India during summer. At times, there are dust storms which are also common in the desert region. South India is comparatively less hot as it is surrounded by the sea on all sides. Hill stations are usually pleasant during summer. That is the reason why these places are the center of attraction for the people during their summer vacation. Monsoon. Monsoon or the rainy season starts in India in the month of June and ends sometime in September. Monsoon winds blow from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. They carry moisture and form clouds that give us rain. Different parts of India experience rainfall during the monsoons. In some places, rainfall occurs till late November. The division of rainfall varies from region to region. Some parts of Rajasthan receive very little or no rainfall at all. On the other hand, Meghalaya is one of the wettest places on the earth. The first state in India to receive monsoon rainfall is Kerala. The eastern parts of India experience heavy rainfall. Agriculture in India mostly depends on the rainfall in monsoons. A major part of India remains dry during the winter months. An exception is the coast of Tamil Nadu, which gets heavy rainfall during this time. Winter. Winter season in India lasts from November to February. In north, climate is extremely cold during winter. The night is longer than the day. At some places, the temperature goes below 0 degrees centigrade. January is the coldest month. Snowfall makes the winter bitter cold for the people living in hilly regions. Coastal areas have pleasant winters. In the desert region, the days are pleasant, while the nights are very cold. Strong winds from the west cause rainfall on the plains and snowfall in the mountains. The weather becomes colder and fog prevails. Many fruits like oranges, grapes, apples, guavas, and green vegetables are available in this season. Spring. Winter gives way to a brief spring before the summer sets in. It is a cool and pleasant season. In spring season, plants and trees bear new leaves and flowers. Various festivals such as Baisakhi, Holi are celebrated in this season. Autumn. The season of autumn comes just after the rainy season and just before the onset of winter. This season is cool and pleasant. Many trees shade their leaves during this time.
Tick the right answer. Fill in the blank.